when the gas dryer like this one, it keeps shutting down all the time. Clean the inside here, and then if it doesn't turn on at all, it's not even hot, that sensor, the igniter, and the one on the top there, okay, only those three, and the whole thing cost me approximately less than $40. This one will be up and running. And Amazon is a place you can buy them inexpensively, and they ship within 3 days. Okay, so in order to access to igniter, the high temperature sensor, we need to remove this one. Alright, and they mount it on here, 4 of them, right? And inside here, the high temperature sensor, thermal, whatever they call it, sitting on the top. And the mounting brackets over here, and this one right there is the igniter, and the bottom one there is the high thermal switch, so it pops out whenever it's get hot. So inside here I had to vacuum, keep shutting down. So now I'm going to replace all of them, and it should be okay. This one's been a good one for over 10 years already. This is the LG gas model. Yeah, the LG 2525S. There's the model number. Okay, so before we put everything back, what we need to do to test it first, okay? Plug it in, turn it on. And then start. So if the igniter is good, you will see it turn red. See that? So the igniter is good now. So it's fired up. So you see it's red. It's good. So now it's getting hot. And the gas is coming out. So the igniter only comes on, then the gas will burn. Wow, it's so hot. It's really good now. Alright, put everything back, and we're done.